Ever caught your dog barking at the mirror like it's a threat? They're not mad, they just think it's a stranger. Dogs don't recognize their reflection, they see another dog mimicking them. Creepy a little, but here's the wild part. That dog has no smell, and that's where their brain short circuits. Some bark, some scare, some walk away like nothing happened. Either way, your pup isn't crazy, just confused by the mystery dog in the mirror. If your dog's ever argued with the mirror, you gotta like and follow for more.